In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how you can hide your followers on Instagram and the following list on the site, considering that you will be able to hide your content as well and no one will be able to see which pictures you were currently tagged on. Okay, first thing of course you want to do, launching the Instagram app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner at your profile picture, which will simply lead you to your landing page on your account. Then guys, I want you to go ahead and click on the upper right corner at the three straight lines. And then you want to make sure you go to the settings and privacy. Remember, we want to hide our followers and our following list. And the next step is even easier guys. You want to scroll through the section of who can see your content. So you want to click on account privacy and then you want to click on private account. Very important guys, if your current account is business account, you cannot turn into a private account. First thing you gotta do is to switch from business account back to personal or creator account. And then you can come back over here and switch your account to private. What this will actually do, people still will be able to find your account searching for it on Instagram, but when they come to your account and they see you have 100 followers and you're following 100 people, when they try to click on the number 100 on either side, they're not going to be able to see who you're following and who is following you. Also, they're not going to be able to see your feed, your posts, pictures you like, or videos you like. So this is how you turn your account into completely private. You hide your followers, you hide your following list as well. For more videos like this guys, subscribe and come back for more.